excited to show you around one of our most classic ranch plans by Payne Homes. Today we're in the Merrick 1. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car attached garage ranch home with just shy of 1,600 finished square feet. Let's go check it out. As you can see here, this wide open concept is my favorite part about this home. It has a spacious kitchen, wide open to the living room. It's a flexible floor plan too. A lot of people prefer this floor plan because there isn't a dedicated dining area by a light fixture. You can put a table anywhere you'd like. We can actually shift this island to accommodate a table there. But a lot of people like this floor plan because a lot of people don't have a table anymore, and this bar is big enough for 6 chairs. Another feature that I really love that Payne Homes always does is the tiled backsplash, the stainless appliances, and this floor plan comes with its own dedicated pantry. So coming in off the foyer again, behind this door, you actually have a laundry room. This is a coat closet, and we've got bedroom number 2. Across the hall, we have an evolution of a Jack and Jill bathroom that's actually connected. It makes the 3rd bedroom here in the front have its own private entrance into the 2nd full bathroom. And both of these bedrooms also have walk-in closets. Each spare bedroom is standard to have been wired for a ceiling fan. So if you want a ceiling fan, we can definitely make that happen. It's an upgrade, but it's definitely well worth it to some people. If you would like more information about the Merrick floor plan by Payne Homes and how we can build this amazing home for you on one of our lots in Magnolia Pointe, give us a call. We would love to walk you through that process.